And if you don't know what Animal Hospital is, let's just go here. Animal, and like, it's a game. You have to work at an animal hospital and have to treat the patients, but there's anomalies that you have to watch out for. So yeah. And I have to keep this video really short. And by the way, I'm a nurse. I'm like her, and that looks so tough. But yeah, after there's so many like classes, and the only intern is this one, which is like the normal one. Okay, never mind. Alright, well, there's probably going to be a lot of cuts in this video since I have to keep the video short. So, yeah. Is somebody going to be leaving? Okay. I don't know. Okay. Alright. Jerry is going to be in there. So, yeah. Alright, let's shut the door. And by the way, you're probably gonna see me do this a lot, cause like pull up this, cause I don't know how to like pause it without like, bringing my mouse up to there and pressing the pause button. Bro, we need like a second desk. We can update it, but the doctor's gonna come in here and fix the shutters and unlock the cameras. And then after that, so if it reaches 0, you die. Sadly. And you know, this game, this is probably one of my favorite games so far. Like, I find it really interesting. I find it really cool. Okay? I really like this game, to be honest. I really do like it. But the thing is, like, I always, not always die, but I always like have to leave or I die. But it's not really always, cause like it's only happened 2 times. Whenever the ambulance comes, I swear, I had to leave, and then I died because my mental health was horrible because I was fighting something. Yeah, that's me. And because the person wouldn't grab the taser. But I think the taser was just on cooldown. And they were like, and my dead body was just right here. Which is so sad. But it's okay. Alright, sir. See, now he's gonna fix up the shutters. Oh yeah. Fixing them okay, that one took like a long time. That's hard. That's hard. Alright. Yeah. Oh yeah, guys, I was the best. Yeah. I was the best. Yeah. Oh, heck, no. Oh my no. So I'm gonna forget. I'm gonna need you to get out of here, cause I can't. Nobody can serve you, okay? Cause you're black eyes, and it's empty. Oh my gosh! If you're gonna be here banging on that freaking window, last time you broke my window. Go away. Nobody wants you here. With your hollow eyes. Oh, camera 1's down. I'll go fix it, guys. I'll go fix that. Wait, which one's camera 1? Oh, yes, the one over here. I just fixed camera, guys. Yeah, I know. So sad. See, I'm built like that. Alright, dude looks good in the cameras. Well, we just have to take the photo. Oh, yeah. I'll skip this. Alright, photo looks fine. I'll print out the badge. Is Cherry doing the thing? Okay. No, there's only. Bro, Cherry! Okay. Alright. I hope she can deal with that. Thank you. Wait, let me check the cameras. They looks fine. Can you point me? Alright, I'll stand down, take a picture. Let's inspect this. It looks fine. I think it's day 2 that the dude keeps on coming in here and banging his head on the window. Oh, heck snap. Alright, he got right in the window. Wait, look, there's a dude that's gonna bang his head on the window. What did I say? What did I say? Watch him. What did I say? Stop banging your head on the window. That barely scared. No, no, sir, there is service. No, sir, there is service. No, there is Sigh. Alright, I love the little mouse. The little mouse is my favorite dude. Oh my gosh, we're staring at me. I'm in the door. You hear things? You see things? I bet little mouse is probably traumatized. Take the photo. Let's see. Dude, it's fine. I'll print out a badge. Unknown. He's an unknown little dude. Alright, now I finally get to serve the little mouse. Or like treat the little mouse because I never get to do it. And it's always so annoying. And people always do it. And I think it's a really annoying. Why is my sanity? Oh yeah, I got them scared about little dude. They just need maple syrup. Where's the... Bro, he said he was gonna be... Oh, never mind. Goodbye. Alright, let's go. Let's go see the doctor. The doctor's gonna open that and that. So I'm gonna show you... I'm staying right here. And I'm gonna show you my cool skin. So I think it's really cool. I'm a cool class. That's me. That's me. A taser? Okay, you're gonna get the... Oh, dang it. Please, oh, yes. Wait, how did I get one? Yes, I was the best. I accidentally bought the recovering thing. I didn't even know it. Bro, I just randomly got money. Let's point out fear, bro. Guys, the mouse is back. You're a good guy. I ain't no good guy. Your name is Ratthew? Oh yes, I love that name. Your advice? Don't trust anybody here. Yes, sir. I got you. Alright. Did she just sleep? Oh my gosh. Why is everybody leaving? Good home life? And what if I can't trust you because you have rabies? I'm just kidding. There you go, Ratthew. Room 7, you need surgery? Oh no. Oh my short. Wait, I need my coffee. But right as he said, don't trust anybody, it's good touch. They didn't handle that. We're not open. Maybe you better leave. Alright, this dude needs emergency surgery. I got you. Let's do this. I usually hate doing this, but it's okay. Alright. I have to be really prepared. IV drops. Got from the back. So, antibiotics. Okay. Medkit, medkit. I got you, I got you. A scalpel, a scalpel. I got you, I got you, I got you. Medicine, medicine. Alright, I got you, I got you, got you. Alright, antibiotics. Scalpel. Scissors, scissors. Okay, that's it. That's yummy. You okay? Are you good? Alright, he's good. Okay, I got that. Little rat. Look at a little rat for you. What's up with me? Oh my gosh, you keep doing this with me. Who needs to do this one? Oh my gosh. I know y'all saw that. guys, no, y'all saw the outside. Alright. Alright guys, doctor is arriving. Oh, did y'all see that twitch? Okay. Wait, are we gonna unlock the taser now? I love the taser. Yeah, I do use them. As you can turn. Yes! Okay. Thank you. I took the taser, guys, because I can have taser and I can, do that. Yeah. And I was ready. I don't remember. Yes, I'm always the best. Alright, she looks okay. Oh my gosh, a fire started in room 3 and I see that. Guys? No, I can't step on my shirt. I know y'all saw him. I know you guys saw. I know you guys see him. How many burned by the fire? Okay, crap. Alright, I'll be right back. That was really scary. Okay, no. It's the mouse. What's up, dude? I'm checking the cameras. I know. Well, I'll just double check him. You know. He looks. It's fine. But I could not speak for a second. Mouse shut. Room 6. Okay, Chow, we got a visitor. Let's check this out. The visitor? What room? Okay. Let me go to room 3 actually. Oh yeah, the shop's open. No! Oh my shard. Where's the coffee? I'm getting some coffee. Alright. Again? 2 visitors? Okay. Oh yeah, I'm checking. Okay. Okay. Let's check this. What room? 4. So, wasn't the other one 6? Are you okay? You okay, man? You okay? Do I tase you? Oh, don't look up, chat. Do not look up. Don't look up. All I know is don't look up. Don't look up. Don't look up. Because I know y'all saw that. So don't look up. Don't. Oh my gosh. This guy's not normal. This guy's not normal. How does she tell by the view? Oh, his head pics. Oh no, why is he hunched back? So you're not here for their point. Why does this dude want so much coffee? I already asked for 3 coffees. I need, my sanity is at 39. I need that coffee instead. What if I don't give you the coffee? So we're gonna have to wait like a minute. So. Now look at the photo. Can you see the photo? Oh no. No, no, he's an anomaly. No, no, no. No, should I taste him? What did I do? Oh my gosh, this is where they all come. Oh my fart. Oh my fart. Oh my fart. Oh my fart. Yeah, we're actually fine. No, I need my taser. No, I need my sanity to go up. Yeah, I'm actually fine. Bro, why is dude starting a ritual? Look. Bro, now I threw him all the candles and like, no way. Are you kidding me? Did I die? I did not die. Chat, I'm on 1. Chat? My sanity level is at 1. Okay, I need to wait for the coffee. If I die, bro. I never survived after the ambulance. But that's gonna be the end of today's video. Bye guys. Let's hope I can post this video. Bye bye.